you're recording. Okay, so welcome. We're going to the mukbang thing. Welcome to the mukbang. We're going to Veggie Grill right now. Gonna get that vegan food, and then we're gonna mukbang it or something. Is it? What do you call it? What you do to the food?
Eat it.
We're gonna eat it.
We're gonna bang the food.
Yeah.
What?
Looking around for the. Oh, there he is. Directions to Veggie Grill. The mukbang. The bang muk.
Okay.
Mukabanga. Mukbang. Oh, shit.
I don't get it.
Mukbang backwards.
Oh. Okay, I feel like this is good people. Wow, this is cool. Da-da-da!
So, you know, I'm not the best planner of things, so we just whipped up an order. There we go. Whoa, vegan food. It's the vegan mukbang. We're here, we're eating food.
Oh my god.
We got a lot of food. We have Emily, we have
Hi.
Alex, we have Gabrielle.
Hello.
We got everybody. We're here. We got a lot of things today.
Yep.
Yeah, list it off.
Buffalo wings, Mundo nachos, crispy chicken, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, fish tacos, kung pao tacos, crab with fries, rice and beans.
Mac and cheese. Do you say
Fries.
Look at this.
Yeah.
We have it all.
that? I'm so hungry.
Okay.
All
Are
right.
you guys ready for this? Can
Okay.
we just dig in? We've all been starving ourselves all day. Okay, I'm going.
Nachos, Mundo nachos.
You're so proper eating this with a fork.
No, why
I'm
are you
literally
doing
digging
that?
like my fingers
This is a mukbang.
inside the ranch.
You're supposed
You
to use your
guys
fingers.
know that I like have issues in certain things.
I actually just met both of them today, so that's a fun fact.
Everybody here is actually vegan, so we're gonna talk about that.
I'll go first. Alright, so I went vegan after she went vegan and inspired me to do it for environmental reasons. Save the earth.
This is a PSA, apparently.
It is.
Okay, I was vegetarian for 3 years.
I'm taking so much.
And the first night that I decided to go vegetarian, I got really drunk. And
amazing.
I made her take me to go get a Wendy's chicken sandwich. So that's the last meat that I ever ate. And then,
Wow.
yeah, amazing.
I want to put sriracha
Hi.
on this. Hello.
How's it going?
How are you? Good, good.
Amazing.
Pass me the Yeti, Gabrielle.
What'd you say?
The Yeti, please.
Right,
Okay,
so
what
then,
is a Yeti?
This.
oh, it's like a water
It's
bottle.
like a
Upgraded.
really.
I had no idea what that was.
Oh,
When you
they're
said
awesome.
Yeti, I was like, yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
just
they
call
bought
them
little
Yetis.
snowman.
Like,
coming
yeah,
out.
for sure.
Did you take my fork?
No. This is my fork.
I had a fork here.
You lost your board?
And I was eating it.
I
Like,
can't
I
know
was-
what you mean by she loses stuff.
Alex throwing shade.
Yeah.
I was talking shit when you left.
Whatever. Okay, Dylan, you tell.
Wait, I didn't finish.
I'll tell
No,
my
no,
story.
I
I'll
didn't
tell my
finish
vegan
my
story.
So then I went vegan after a year, and then I've been vegan for over 2 years. And I converted these guys.
Woo! And our parents.
Yes. Our whole family is vegan.
That's amazing.
It's pretty awesome. Our mom's also.
Alexandra, there is some form of chicken on my arm.
Can I eat it?
No,
Oh, just go for it.
Wow, Gabrielle, you really butchered that option.
Sorry.
Oh my god, my little wing fell in there.
It's okay.
Oh my god, now it's.
Has anyone
no,
tried this yet?
that's the best is when it's
Wait, I
drenched
want-
in sauce.
Okay.
What's this rice and beans for?
Oh, you're right.
For however
It was a
our
side.
desire.
I think
Where
it's what I want at tacos.
this is happening.
It's so good.
I don't want
Mac and cheese.
surprise.
All right, we're back. And
So are you gonna tell them your mistake or what?
I will admit to it. I realized that the darkness outside probably doesn't look too good on the camera, and I ran out of a light. So we're here.
We're back. I'm better than ever.
Yeah.
In a different location.
Yeah.
Really want to try that crab thing.
Where is it?
It's right there. I'm like
Go for it.
scared.
That's a
Can
crab
somebody try it
sandwich.
with me?
I will. I'll eat it with
Why
you.
did we
I
just,
thought it was
I
supposed to
just
be
want to try the
cupcake.
meat. Do you want to try
Yeah, I don't
some
really
of it
want
with
the
me?
bun.
Yeah. Let's try some of it together. Here.
I don't get
or-
why it
yeah.
came with a
Or do you
bun.
want to?
Yeah. What kind of
Okay.
bun?
Oh, should we do ranch? Here,
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
a little bit of ranch left.
Here, there's some in here too.
Just a little
Dog
bit.
hair.
Oh.
You sure this isn't chicken?
I'm
Nachos.
positive. It's crab.
Alright,
I thought it
let's
was
do
chicken.
this. Are we all doing this right now? Okay. You should grab
Cheers.
it. Oh, Oh. Well.
You know, I've never had crab
Doesn't
to begin
really
with.
Tastes like crab.
I don't even know what crab
How have
tastes
you
like.
never had crab?
I know. What?
I'm
You're
just,
from California.
well, technically I'm
I'm confused
not.
about it. It tastes like
Oh,
seafood,
yeah, I guess
kind of.
technically you are.
The aftertaste is
The aftertaste-
seafood.
It tastes
Yeah,
like
wait.
fish sticks.
Wait.
Like the fish sticks.
Wait, I feel fish
Yeah.
in my mouth. Okay, yeah.
Wait, I
Hold
wanna
on,
try
I think
it.
I need like a second try.
Yeah.
I'm like,
That's
Are those
so
the fish tacos and
interesting.
Asian tacos?
What?
I think these are the fish tacos.
Have you guys tried the cauliflower mashed potatoes?
Like
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's actually super good.
What?
second taste.
Like,
What, do you not like it?
it's so good.
Oh yeah, it is pretty good.
Ugh.
I'm trying the crab.
I don't know how I
Veggie
feel
girl,
about it.
fuck me
When
up.
you're eating it, it doesn't taste like anything,
No.
really.
What?
This.
The crab.
And then it's like after it tastes like
No.
fish sticks.
Nah, it's okay. I'm gonna probably get it again.
Not impressed.
Okay, I'm gonna stop eating the mac and cheese.
No, I had one all to myself, so.
Oh, that's where it went.
Yeah, it's definitely in my belly.
I actually left it like the empty container.
Okay, I don't know.
It was like hidden under the couch. I was like,
Ugh.
I'm gonna leave that.
What?
Gabrielle, what did you put in that mac and cheese?
Sriracha.
Oh, that
You
was
don't
the
like
worst.
sriracha?
Not with mac and cheese. I got that taste in my mouth and I started
love
squirming.
sriracha.
Oh my
Sriracha
god,
is
that's already the
everything.
hair.
Yeah, I love sriracha.
There's one of our hairs.
Oh, that's good.
It's like
Love that.
really gross.
So on August 1st, I went vegan. You know, I thought about doing it for a long time and then I did it all by myself.
That is a fucking lie.
You call him out, girl.
So, I guess that's not the truth. She kind of influenced me a wee bit. She's like,
Can I take
wow.
Dylan used to come over to where I lived in Santa Barbara and eat, like, what was it? It was like a Pizza Hut pasta bowl, chicken Alfredo.
It was
so
Domino's
gross.
pasta
He
bread
would
bowl.
throw up every morning because that's how gross his stomach was.
That's terrible.
Lots of info.
Yeah, I think that's my story.
I don't think I want to eat anymore, but.
So that's when I became vegan. How about you, Emily?
So, hold on, I weirdly want like a little bit of tortilla. Okay. So, I was vegetarian first when I turned 14, and then I've been vegan for like 3 years. It wasn't like anybody influenced me or anything like that. It was more of, I started watching a lot of documentaries, and I started reading a lot of books, and I was like, I learned a lot of new information that I didn't know before about the meat and dairy industry and what they did to the animals and how it affected the environment and how it affects our bodies. And it was just a lot of stuff that I was completely ignorant to before. And as soon as I learned all of this, I was like, what am I putting in my body?
Exactly.
So yeah, so that's when I decided to be vegan and vegetarian.
What was the most influencing film?
I think it was Cowspiracy.
Yes, that made me cry.
I haven't
Yeah.
watched that one yet.
You should. Yeah, I think Cowspiracy was very, very good. I really liked Vegucated too. That one was really good because it was very informational.
I've never seen it.
Yeah, it was very good.
That's the one our parents watched to like go vegan.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but those two are definitely the ones that helped the most.
Do you like
Yeah.
forks over knives?
Yes.
That's a good one. I love
Yeah.
when they bring out like Dr. Gregor. He's
Oh
like,
my God,
our
yeah.
family like swears by him.
Yeah. Yeah, that one was
It's
really, really
and
good too.
everything.
My top vegan doc is What the Health.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, I love
It's
that
fire.
one.
That just came out, didn't it? Like a year
Yeah,
ago.
like a year ago.
I'm trendy.
That's fine.
I love the guy who like does that entire thing. Kip. Something.
yeah.
Like he's so
Yes.
cute. Yeah.
I think he did something else.
He did
too.
Cowspiracy.
Cowspiracy, right? He was the one
Yeah.
that did Cowspiracy.
He wasn't even
Yeah.
vegan like in Cowspiracy.
That's so
He wasn't vegan until the
insane.
end.
He's so great.
Mhm.
He's like seriously so great.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Is this the chicken one or is this the fish?
That's fish. That's actually I haven't tried that one.
What is it?
Yeah, I
The
don't
Kung
think
Pao
anybody has.
one.
You should try it.
Oh, that's Kung Pao chicken one. That's the one I actually wanted, not the fish one.
Oh, really?
I don't like fish.
Well, this is the one
You
that
don't even
I don't like
you don't
fish
even
either.
like vegan fish?
No.
That's the one that, my stomach just made a really weird noise. I can't tell if I'm over food or if I'm full. I don't know what I want right now. Is it good?
It's
Oh, I
so
haven't
good.
tried it yet.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
Green goddess.
Do you like it?
It tastes like Panda Express.
So if you could do one vegan meal, like go to your fave, what is that?
Jackfruit. Barbecue jackfruit. With vegan mac and cheese. Cashew cheese.
That sounds bomb. I don't know. I would probably have to say vegan mac and cheese. That shit is flame.
Yeah. Mine's gotta be vegan PB&J.
Oh, there's another hair. You're kidding, right? That's super boring.
I just wanted
You can't cook anything though, so.
I can't cook?
You just called it out.
Wow.
You forgot the word bottom. Is that good?
Oh wait, I love this dressing from Trader Joe's.
Same.
Oh my god,
Okay.
it's literally one of my favorite dressings.
I
And
put
I
on
just found out
everything.
about it like a week ago.
It only, like, it's like so easy to make.
Yeah. It's so good.
Why did I make it then?
Because I was lazy.
I swear, every vegan food Alex has, she's like, I can make this better. I'm like, do it. Alright.
Really good.
There's a lot going on.
It's like, I don't know where to go from here.
Yeah, we kind of destroyed that.
Wait, I think that was from like another thing
Yeah.
that fell in there. I
In
don't
the
think
food,
that
baby.
chicken was like the chicken that's supposed to be in the nachos, I'm not gonna lie to you. So maybe try it again with the actual knife.
No.
It did not like that. It did
There's a
not
lot.
like
Wait, what did you
got
eat?
into my head. It's like a placebo effect. It could have been that chicken, but it.
No, it definitely was not. It did not
That
look
looked
like
like
that
the
chicken.
compound
Yeah. I was like, it definitely was not that chicken at all. It was another chicken that fell in there.
Oh, was it buffalo chicken?
I don't know what it was. It tasted like crab, to be honest.
Oh.
Oh, it was probably.
Oh, maybe it was from here.
No one
I
really
forgot.
touched the
I
crab.
mean, I'll eat
I don't
the
like
crab.
the crab.
I'll.
Oh, good. It's like renowned.
Do you hear my stomach? Did you guys hear that?
I heard that.
You
I
heard
was
that,
like,
right?
there's something going
There's
down.
something going on in there. I don't know what it is, but there's something in there. Did you hear that? Oh
It's
my
trying to
gosh,
say
I wish
something.
you guys could hear this right now. My stomach is literally talking to. It's literally talking to
Yeah.
everyone right now.
It's because of crab.
I can't. I think my stomach's like, don't do that
Because I
again.
feel like it's not sitting well with
I am
me.
so
Yeah.
full. Like, so
Yeah.
full.
I'm gonna eat something green.
I'm doing
Ew.
celery.
There we go.
I hate celery.
Dip it. Oh my gosh, try celery with sriracha. Oh, so good.
Mm-mm.
Oh, I love sriracha.
Why don't you like sriracha, Dylan?
Sriracha is
Do you
not.
not like hot spicy stuff?
I like hot spicy stuff. Like the hot sauce at Chipotle.
Oh, that one's good. Oh, but that's not like super hot.
Wait, the Tabasco or like the literal red one?
The red one. It's
It's not
so
that hot.
good. Oh,
Chipotle
it
is
is that hot. It makes me sweat.
It's not that hot. Well, I'm also Hispanic, so I feel like
Yeah.
I'm used to
Everyone.
very.
I'm in the
So are we.
minority.
Dylan's the
Very-
white
Wait, really? You guys
one.
are
Puerto
too?
Rican,
Wait, no
yeah.
way. So you guys understand? Like,
Yes.
we are eating spicy food like since we're born.
Yeah, no.
That's like the first thing my mom gave me, spicy food.
spicy baby food.
Yeah, spicy baby food. Wait, I feel like in my country there's something like
I'm
that.
sure
I'm not
there
gonna
is,
lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. There's like a spicy baby food.
I believe you.
That's so funny.
And Dylan's just been raised
Sorry,
on white people food.
Yeah, I've been raised by the white folk.
What?
Yeah, no more crab, no more cake. It's done.
Yep, it's definitely done for.
Oh my god.
All right, we're all full. We all impregnated ourselves with
Yes.
Veggie Grill.
Yep.
Thank you, Veggie Grill.
We all have
baby.
food babies
We
for
do.
sure.
I had to unbuckle
Wait,
myself.
and I'm going to a
Like, put it
business
down in
dinner
the house.
now.
Yeah, now she's gonna go eat dinner. Good luck with that.
Good. I have to go to a dinner now at 9.
I would probably be hungry by then. I feel like I like digest food so quickly. And I'm like, oh.
I'm just gonna be there like eating
Like
like
picking.
a piece of like lettuce.
Like what happened?
Later.
So everything
Still
was
us.
amazing. I think that my favorite, if you're ever gonna go to Veggie Grill, get the nachos, the Mundo nachos.
You would spit them out basically.
What is wrong with you and nachos? I think the wings are really
The
good.
wings, yeah.
Fire.
Honestly, my favorite
The mac and
veggie grill
cheese.
is the Santa Fe crispy chicken. Have you guys ever tried that?
Yes.
That's my favorite.
I wanted
Yes.
to get sandwiches, and he was like, no.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite veggie grill.
Or the bomber one, the buffalo bomber. So fire.
You guys should have gotten paid to do this video.
We should have. This is not
Veggie
sponsored
Grill?
by Veggie Grill. Not
But
at
if you
all.
want to sponsor us.
Yeah, just you know where to go. All right.
I don't think they do know where to go.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been fantastic. Thank you, Emily, for coming.
Of course. Thank
Thanks,
you for having me.
Emily.
Thank you for feeding me.
Yes. She has a YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. Alexandra doesn't really have one yet, but she's gonna start. I'll link it someday. She's gonna do it. Thank you so much for coming, you two.
Oh, you know.
Yeah.
Had to
Wow.
do it
The CS.
to them. The what?
The Chicago CS.
I don't know what you're gonna say.
I said
Okay.
the SAS. The
Oh,
Chicago
sass.
CS.
Sass.
CS.
Okay.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
You should you should do the exit where you go like on the camera.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be so cinematic, dude.
Yeah,
Oh,
go do
yeah.
it.
Do it with the dog's paw. Oh, look at
There
how
we
she's
go.
sitting.
Oh yeah, get that
Oh my
lighting.
god.
Give us
All right, it's in the video. I say goodbye. Thanks for coming.
We're all
Subscribe.
recording.